In this video, I'll explain where to install smoke alarms and carbon monoxide detectors because the realtor disclosures are a bit ambiguous and this question comes up fairly often, especially before appraisals, because the appraiser is going to look to make sure that they're installed properly. So we'll start here with smoke detectors, and it says smoke alarms shall be installed in the following locations: in each sleeping room, so inside each bedroom, then outside each separate sleeping area in the immediate vicinity of the bedrooms. So outside of wherever the bedrooms are, likely a hallway. So imagine a hallway with a bunch of bedrooms. You'd have a smoke detector in each bedroom and in the hallway outside of it. Then it says on each additional story of the dwelling, including basements and habitable attics, but not in crawl spaces and not in uninhabitable attics. And it goes on about split levels, and then it also says that when there's more than one smoke alarm, then they should be interconnected so that when one alarm is activated, it sets off the other alarms so that they're all beeping. So imagine a two-story home, for example, and you have 3 bedrooms upstairs and none downstairs. Well, you'd need 3 smoke alarms in each bedroom, or 3 total, 1 in each bedroom. Then the 4th one would go in the hallway outside of the bedrooms. Then you'd put a 5th smoke alarm downstairs. Okay, so that's what it would look like in an example of a 2-story home. All right, now carbon monoxide detectors shall be installed and maintained in accordance with, outside of each separate sleeping area in the immediate vicinity of the bedrooms. So in the example of the 2-story home with all the bedrooms upstairs, we would put 1 carbon monoxide detector outside of the bedrooms, just 1 there. Then it says on every occupiable level of the dwelling unit. Okay, so if it's a 2-story home, now we have 1 upstairs outside of the bedrooms, and we have a second one downstairs. Then it goes on to say, where a fuel burning appliance is located within a bedroom or its attached bathroom, a carbon monoxide alarm shall be installed. So if you have, now a lot of master bedrooms will have a fireplace, for example. If you have a bedroom with a fireplace or any fuel burning appliance, it says, which is usually a fireplace, but not always, you're going to install a carbon monoxide detector in that bedroom as well. So let's say, for one final example, we have that same 2-story home, 3 bedrooms upstairs, but in the master bedroom, there's a fireplace. Well, you would put 1 carbon monoxide detector in the master bedroom. You'd put 1 in outside in the hallway in the vicinity of all the bedrooms, the sleeping areas, and then you'd put a 3rd and final one downstairs so that now you have 1 on each level, and you have 1 inside the bedroom that has the fuel burning appliance. Hopefully that helps you so you can make your listings compliant and safe for everyone. Thank you for watching.